Hi, hello. In this video, we'll be playing a game called The Mirror. If you want to pause the video and read this, I don't care. I understand. Seizures, I just saw a word seizure. I don't really care. Flip the switch to dim the light. In dimly lit room, stare at self in mirror for a long period of time. Report any visual or auditory abnormalities. Well, that's me. Don't worry, I got my army to protect me, don't worry. There's a lot of people here to protect me. You? Yeah, that's me. I'm eating a skull right now. Kinda thirsty. I don't think I chewed it enough, but went down. Me. I know something happens, it just takes an awfully long time. Apparently it's not a game, it's an interactive experience. There isn't much interactiveness there. Nah, bro, is it just me or did that door open? Nah, Jake tripping. Jake tripping. The door just opened. Wait, I'm alone in this lab. Open the door. Bro, he's messing with the metal, SMH. Bro, what's happening? No, my army. Noobs attack. Do your thing. Still me. You. Yes. Me. I have many people on my shoulders, my head, and around me. And also my sleep paralysis demon, you can kind of see him behind me. Like, bro, even if, like, he beats my army, my sleep paralysis demon can, like, teleport, kind of. He goes invisible, but invisible too. According to me. Void whispers. It's like someone's just like, kind of. Like, bro, imagine if someone was in this room with me and my reflection was blocking them. Like, imagine if that was the case. Like, nah, Jit tripping. Is it just me or am I shaking? Yeah, I'm shaking, alright. In the mirror and... Yo, where'd that red light come from? Nah, Jit just put a red light in my room. That's crazy. Oh my god, what's with the shaking? Is someone just grabbing me and like shaking me? Nah, Jit teleporting around my room. That's crazy. Sleep paralysis demon attack. Sleep paralysis demon is telling you to a fucking. What's up? What will you do? This goofy teleporting guy chooses punch. Sleep paralysis demon disappears because you viewed him from the left. Alright, seriously, are you doing the same thing? Bro, I don't care. What's with the red on the wall? Like, bro. Yeah. It's hilarious just seeing all my monsters go out of the floor and stuff. Oh my god. With my avatar, that's terrifying just because of how clunky that looks. It's like Seek from Doors. Are you the killer rabbit? Ah, Jit walking over to me. No. I'm dead. That was sad. Experiment terminated! Come on, I did Mission log. Yes, tell me why. Subject has entered the room solid and these room as planned. Alright. Showed a heavy progression of stress and anxiety here. And nerves. And anxiety. Father spontaneously collapsed after freezing. Medical professionals were able to collapse a heart attack. I died of a heart attack. Uploaded psych evaluation. Uploaded copies to law enforcement and medical systems. Bro, it's not like I was suffering from anxiety. I was just joking around. The mirror. By I don't want to pronounce it. It's now safe to exit the game. Alright, well, yeah, so like, I'm gonna kinda like, yeah, leave the game now, I guess. Yeah, so kinda like, I'm going to leave the game, I guess. Goodbye, I guess.